Ripple CTO David Schwartz has taken to Twitter to clarify the company's prefunding strategy for XRP, a subject that has been the focus of recent debates. By the way, Ripple presents a major multi-partnership to help billions of people, but how long will it last? Also, we will be looking at XRP swift recovery. Finally, can a ruling on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit be the deciding factor for the crypto market? Stick with me till the end to find out more. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of April. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has taken to Twitter to clarify the company's prefunding strategy for XRP, a subject that has been the focus of recent debates. In response to a thread discussing Ripple's nostro/vostro accounts and prefunding, Schwartz explained that instead of prefunding in every market, customers can prefund in just one account and make payments to any on-demand liquidity destination market. Schwartz also highlighted the flexibility of Ripple's system, stating that customers can hold their funds in their preferred asset and pay in a different one. This flexibility allows customers to have more control over their funds and reduce the need for multiple prefunded accounts. Regarding the line of credit option, Schwartz confirmed that Ripple can prefund accounts using their own XRP at very near zero cost. However, the company does take on some credit risk and must charge for that accordingly. In this scenario, the responsibility is shifted to Ripple for a fee, as they provide the prefunding capital in XRP. Despite Ripple taking on some credit risk, Schwartz admitted that there is a non-zero risk that the customer will not pay the company back for the XRP, particularly if a customer's funds are held in a bank that fails or goes bankrupt for some reason. Blockchain-based fintech company Ripple has announced plans to help over 3.7 billion people who are either unbanked or underbanked around the world. In a tweet released on Earth Day, the company believes that the global climate crisis is one of the most pressing challenges of the century, and that blockchain innovation in carbon markets can assist in achieving global environmental goals. Ripple has been working on this initiative since 2018 and has collaborated with various fintech companies, foundations, universities, social entrepreneurs, and non-governmental organizations to make progress. The partners are currently active in more than 80 countries, and the initiative has already provided $150 million in donations. The adoption of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology could help increase economic participation, opportunity, and sustainability for billions of people without access to banking services, the cryptocurrency company claims. Ripple sees one solution to the problem as providing low-cost and always-on money transfers in emerging markets and creating a central bank digital currency platform for governments working to improve financial inclusion. In addition, Ripple aims to promote a sustainable tomorrow for the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple believes its XRPL is the world's first blockchain to be carbon neutral, and its framework has the potential to provide green cryptocurrency solutions and more productive carbon markets. The company has set a goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2030, if not sooner, by reducing emissions, using green energy, and investing in inventive carbon removal projects. Furthermore, XRP saw a significant rebound, gaining nearly 5% after bulls made a successful attempt to fend off bears' onslaught. XRP reached lows of 44 cents on April 22nd, following 3 days of losses. This comes after a week that saw risky assets like cryptocurrency largely decline. XRP fell below the key daily MA50 support at 45 cents, where bulls aggressively bought the dip. This led to a rebound in the price of XRP. The sixth largest cryptocurrency, XRP, traded to intraday highs of 46 cents on April 22nd, posting a green candlestick for the first time since April 18th. Most cryptocurrencies also saw mild gains following dip buying as bears temporarily took a breather. Cryptocurrencies saw a mixed week, marked by declining prices and a few positive developments. The bearish performance so far has enticed many traders to execute short positions to take advantage of the falling prices. The likelihood of a short squeeze remains as short sellers are forced to close their positions once buying pressure reappears. The week's passage of comprehensive crypto legislation by the European Parliament, the first major region to do so, represents one potential move in favor of cryptocurrencies. As part of its efforts to grow abroad, the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange secured a license to provide its services in Bermuda. XRP is outperforming Bitcoin's daily gains of 1.5%, while XRP comes in at 4%. Now to the big question of the day. Can a ruling on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit be the deciding factor for the crypto market? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Experts assert that XRP's classification as a non-security could potentially spark a market-wide rally. As the legal tussle between Ripple and the US SEC draws to a close, market watchers are closely monitoring the situation and making predictions about how the broader crypto market will respond to the final verdict. Tree of Alpha, a renowned crypto trader, recently shared its perspective on the ongoing issue. The pseudonymous engineer believes that the most positive news for any crypto investor would be a report detailing a favorable outcome for Ripple in its legal battle against the US SEC. If we get a headline that XRP in its current form is not a security, we'll likely be sending it and the rest of the top 300 to Valhalla, he added. This suggests that the designation of XRP as a non-security could potentially trigger a widespread rally for the crypto market's leading assets. Explaining the rationale behind this view, Tree of Alpha asserted that a verdict in favor of Ripple would discourage the US SEC from pursuing legal action against other crypto companies or assets in the future. The trader cited the regulatory agency's track record of enforcing actions against digital assets and attempting to classify most tokens as securities under its jurisdiction. The SEC's recent crackdown on digital assets has become increasingly widespread, with the agency's chairman, Gary Gensler, suggesting that cryptocurrencies using the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism should be classified as securities and subject to SEC regulation. Notably, a ruling against the agency in the ongoing Ripple case would dissuade future lawsuits. These sentiments are shared by several influential figures within the cryptocurrency community, including Ben Armstrong, commonly known as BitBoy. BitBoy has been vocal in promoting this viewpoint, emphasizing XRP's potential for growth in the upcoming market-wide bull run. Some weeks ago, BitBoy disclosed that he believes XRP will stand tall as the best-performing asset in the next bull run if the Ripple versus SEC case ends with a favorable ruling or a settlement with terms that declare that XRP is not a security. Henrik Zeberg, a legendary Copenhagen-based macroeconomist and trader, is the latest to forecast an impending rally for XRP, as he recently shared his outlook for the broader crypto market. According to Zeberg, the crypto market is on the verge of taking off in a very big way. In a recent tweet, the chartist called attention to several assets he believes would champion this rally, most especially XRP. Moreover, Dirk Scheppens, founder of Xspector, asserted that XRP is the only asset besides Bitcoin capable of moving the crypto market. This assertion came on the heels of XRP's latest rally. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.